Welcome all. So I want to show you the reconstruction of Ekwueme Square, which is currently going on. Here is the major entrance gate. They have two entrance gates to Ekwueme Square. So the two gates are being reconstructed. So not just the gates, the square is being remodernized. So let me show you all the current updates. The two gates, the major entrance gate to this square is being reconstructed, being redesigned, and is being constructed. So let me take you around to show you the current update. I will still show you the update of the government house from outside, because I told you that the place for now is highly restricted for security reasons. So, but from outside I can zoom in and show you what are going on there. So relax to see what is happening here. So you can see they are planting grass around here. Ekwueme Square is where most of the functions do take place, just like Obara Square in Enugu or Eagle Square in Abuja. So this is our own square, which is called Ekwueme Square. So it's being remodernized by Governor Soludo. So I will take you around the square for you to see the project going on here. No sector is left out. The governor is trying his best to improve our infrastructures and maintain the existing ones. There's most politicians, you see them, they abandon previous projects constructed by their predecessors, only concentrate on their own. But the governor is still maintaining the old ones, also doing his own projects. So let me take you around this square. So I believe this thing they're constructing here will be installed somewhere, which I don't know yet. So we'll be monitoring the project to see where and how. So let me take you around the square. Then in this same video, I will take you to Government House to show you the current state of what is going on there. So with this pillar, from what I showed you now, I believe it will be installed here. So these are the efforts they are making to beautify Ekwueme Square. You can see one of the pillars again. There is nothing like maintenance, maintaining the infrastructure that's already existing, then embarking on new ones. So you can see the whole place are being modernized. So they are also planting flowers, making the whole place greeny. So there is also 2 water fountains the governor is constructing. You can see one of them here. So it will still be unveiled. Let me show you the second one. It's a water fountain. So this is the second one here. So this is the square. You can see total reconstruction. The 3rd grandstand is by my left, which is going on. So I will go close. They've started the foundation already the last time I was here. So let me go close. You can see they've started the ground. This is 3rd grandstand. Remember here Ekwueme Square just 2 grandstand, so the governor is making it 3. So they're on the foundation level now. They are constructing. They started the project. The contract is being handled by different contractors, so the contractor handling the grandstand is quite different. So now let me take you to the new government house to see the current updates. So but viewing from outside, you can see a whole lot of buildings inside. So the on-roofing stage, they've plastered some of the buildings. This is a massive project. Most of you will not understand except with drone, but for now it's restricted, so for me to fly drone here. So let me just show you guys from outside. You can see they're almost at advanced stage. They've roofed this massive building and plastered it. So this is government house and lodge and other offices. For those that are familiar with the current government house and lodge, will know that it's not even suitable for local government chairman, not to talk of executive governor of Anambra State. So thank God that the governor is taking the bull by the horn. Governor Soludo is making history here. So here is a federal secretariat. The building you are looking at is very close to the new government house. So this is the back of the secretariat. So the front is facing state secretariat, so the other side of it. So this is the back. So soon the whole of this place, remember that this road has been re-awarded and they've started working on it. So they've gone far. They will still come back to this side. So they are constructing the road to Ifite, dualization. So soon the whole of this place will change. So this is the current state of the government house. So from here you can see what is going on. So I've been asked to wait until the project gets to a certain level, then I will be allowed to cover it fully. So for security reasons, so this is it. dualization of this road is currently going on. So this is a virgin road that Governor Soludo is dualizing from here to Ifite, also to link up to Amansi. It's being dualized. So the last time I updated you, they've completed a massive culvert. So there's a massive culvert they constructed. There was a very big gully erosion around there, so but they've completed the culvert. So they are extending the road. They've gone far. Soon I will take you all down to see how far the dualization is going, where they are. So for those that are new, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification icon for more interesting videos. So thanks and remain blessed.